welcome to today's video. It's a core vocabulary in action video, and our core vocabulary word that we're going to be talking about today is scared.
Scared.
Scared is an adjective. It means whenever we're fearful or frightened. Now let's find scared on our AAC systems. On Word Power 60 Basic on the TouchChat app from Sotillo, scared.
Scared.
On Lamp Words for Life, the full version of the vocabulary from PRC, scared.
Scared.
On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, the 80 grid, scared. I could use the word scared to express my feelings. If I see clowns, I could say, ew, I'm scared of clowns. I could use it to comment and say, Susie, she's scared of spiders. I could relay past and future events and say, my mom was scared at the haunted house this past weekend. I could reject and protest and say, I'm not scared of the dark. I could state an opinion and say, I was scared of that movie. I could use it to request help. I could say, can you help me? I'm scared.
Scared.